Hello traders, it is very exciting Tuesday morning as once again you're witnessing the accuracy of proprietary Fibonacci level, proprietary Fibonacci strategies, and proprietary Fibonacci tools that can be installed on any instrument, any time frame. All you have to do is identify what instrument you want to trade. All you have to do is identify, are you a position trader who knows extremely well that this is a chart that's been present in front of you since the start of the website in 2016. In 2011. In 2016, we witnessed the importance of crucial Fibonacci support, decision point 2 present in front of you. This was where bearish correction had ended. This is where bullish rally, if you're holding position for months and years, stepped in with vengeance. This is where price is struggling currently on this quick, long trade on S&P. As expected, as you learn in the course, this is key Fibonacci target. This is where you take profits off the table, and this is where you move your stop outside of break-even. No surprise whatsoever, market is rallying. As I continue showing you other charts, here is weekly. Weekly is my favorite chart. When I work with institutions, when I work with hedge funds, we're using weekly. This was crucial Fibonacci reversal zone in 2016. This is where bullish rally stepped in with vengeance. This is where bullish rally had taken a major pause, as expected, at most important Fibonacci resistance ever present in the market. Had taken price 7 months to break through this level. Next, price respected decision point 2. And as I said to you for years, and as I say to you right now, price is heading higher. As I said at hedge fund convention, biggest hedge fund convention in the world a few weeks ago. As long as this Fibonacci support respected, this is rally of a century. Market is heading higher. Investing in US markets long term, unless of course we will see missiles flying from North Korea, which no one knows what will happen next. Bullish rally is unstoppable. Reminding you, you know Fibonacci levels? You know where to invest. You know where to move your stop outside of break-even. It doesn't matter if you invest in S&P. It doesn't matter if you invest in gold. This is where bullish rally came from. Remember that? Start of 2016. Remember where bullish rally on gold had ended? As a hedge fund I work with currently, taking advantage of bullish rally from this Fibonacci support. Joseph, you and I have a lot to talk about. So, we expected selling pressure on gold, no surprise whatsoever. This is absolutely crucial currently on gold. This was expected. But if you understand decision point 2, if you understand where bullish rally on gold came from, if you understand how crucial it is to move your stop outside of break-even, as you learn in the course each and every time, exact same Fibonacci level. Very different strategy. What you trade is up to you. Exact same Fibonacci level on oil. Do you understand where oil is currently? Do you understand that oil stuck in massive, massive correction on exact same weekly chart? This is where bullish rally came from. No surprise whatsoever. This is where Sam had been taken advantage of, as he will be speaking in bootcamp how he trades the method using options. This is where bullish rally had taken a massive pause and taken months to break through. This been massive correction, and as long as this support is respected, bullish rally will go on. Oil heading to 56. After this, oil is heading to here and here, where to take advantage of position only you can make a decision of. No surprise whatsoever. Bootcamp is the event that happens only a couple of times per year. Bootcamp will be only in March. In April or May, I will take a very long, well-deserved vacation. No bootcamp in April or May or June. That I promise you. And that's what price does every time. Course is ongoing, bootcamp is not. So, here we are. This is what you must pay attention to. Everything else is afterthought. Everything else is delayed. This is the levels present in front of you instantly in day trading room. We knew that price will give us pain and torture. We are dealing with brand new historical highs. Do you trade Apple? Do you trade S&P? Do you trade Euro? Did you expect bullish rally on Apple when Apple had horrific earnings? Remember that Fibonacci support? We will walk down memory lane when I said to you months and years in advance, I don't care what the earnings will be, Apple will rally. Apple currently at reversal zone. Are you expecting Apple to collapse, or are you adding to position when Apple collapsed despite excellent earnings? S&P is rallying as expected. Adjust your trail 2357. This is a rally of the century. We will be looking at the charts you had never seen before. We will be looking on yearly charts of large caps. You will forever benefit as a knowledgeable Fibonacci investor. If day trading is not your cup of tea, you are simply human. Knowing what chart to trade in day trading will determine your long-term success. Here we are. Happy Tuesday. As I warned you, we are witnessing break of brand new historical highs. But as I warned you, we are dealing with overextended bullish rally. Do not ignore that. Here is reversal zone. Price respecting this level. We are absolutely expecting pullbacks. As buying overextended bullish rally, buying historical highs is expected. Students in completely different trade. Students know not succumbing to instant gratification, playing by the rules. Less trades, more money is what will determine your success. Students in a trade that has drastically bigger targets, that produces less screen time, less pain, less torture. Not this trade. I can have 5, 6, 7, 11 trades in front of me. Knowing what chart to trade, knowing what chart not to trade, produces drastically more consistent and less pain results. Less trades, more money. Less stress, more money. Life depends on quality, never on quantity. And that will be the focus of a bootcamp. So, we're down to 9 spaces, traders. It's astronomical savings to new students only. Graduates take in bootcamp time and time again to master skills they learned in the course prior and to learn strategies that's not part of the course. So, a lot of students who take bootcamp learn everything in 2 weeks. This is the savings that happen only once or twice per year. Course is ongoing, bootcamp is not. Psychology will be the core of the course. Everything in life depends on quality, never on quantity. So I highly encourage you to review the information on the website and realize when bootcamp in a play, March 13th to 24th, trading room is closed. In the month of April, I will take a very long vacation. Every time we have a bootcamp, I take a very long vacation after. So, here we are. Exact same formula, exact same trade. On any instrument and any time frame. Doesn't matter what you trade. Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the market. Everything else is simply delayed. What a lovely, lovely morning. What a beautiful power, my beautiful Alphys. You don't need to trade junky little chart. You know what you trade. And that's few minutes of your time every day. And this is what separates instant gratification from knowledge. Less trades, more money. This is a trade that students are in. This is what was expected. You don't need to trade junky little charts. You need to separate what's appropriate for you and your account size. You need to remember less trades, more money. And that will determine the rest of success. And that's a key. So, on this trade in front of you in a day trading room price at reversal zone, price is giving you pain and torture. You're witnessing brand new historical highs in a play in front of you. Are you surprised that price is stalling at this level? Should not be. This is a problem, and this is a key. So this is day trading chart. This is your guiding light. As I said to you, too bad so sad in European session we had flawless point of entry. Too bad so sad we're dealing with brand new historical highs. Your only option to buy, never to sell this market. Institutions buying historical bullish rally non-stop. Here we are. This is reversal zone. Market giving you only bearish correction. How many points per day do you need? Each and every trade, different stop, different target. What's appropriate for you? Only you know. Again, Fibonacci is the only predictive tool in the markets. Fibonacci show you minutes in advance if you're a day trader, hours in advance if you're using hourly chart, days in advance if you're using hourly chart, months in advance if you're using weekly and monthly chart, where the targets will be. Since 2011, levels present in front of you on hourly. Since well before the trade taken. Reversal zone identified. This is where you take profits of the table. This is the level you're not entering into. Nothing else on the planet will ever show you these levels far in advance. Only Fibonacci will. Exact same reversal zone on this junky little chart that no knowledgeable trader on the planet would ever trade. If you do, chances in day trading will be very, very painful. You will be succumbed to trigger happiness. This is a chart you trade. This is what you respect as your target. This is the key now. Painless trading. Less trades, more money. We expected this. This is reversal zone. Exact same reversal zone present on monthly. Absolute chop, absolute junk, absolute pain in 2014, 2015. But as long as this Fibonacci support respected, bullish rally in a progress. What will price do next? As long as this Fibonacci support respected, bullish rally will go on. Knowing where to enter, knowing where your stop is everything, no matter what you trade. No sweat, no tears, decision point 2 now broken, you are still long on this trade. Trail very, very carefully. Stop 23.58. Exact same formula. As I said, decision point 2 respected, no sweat, no tears, no worry. Students, in this trade, drastically bigger targets, drastically less sweat, less tears, less money thrown at your broker. And that's what price does every time. Exact same junky correction that played out on monthly in front of you. Each and every time the same formula. Each and every time it works. What you trade is your choice. So, ladies and gentlemen, as expected, S&P broke historical highs. We blasted through all the targets. How many points do you need? Here we are. Depending how you placed your order, 6 points later, brand new historical highs, as I warned you, as it was expected. Clear on that? All targets broken on this trade. No surprise whatsoever. Market heading here, as I said to you, for many months and the last few years. Anyone surprised? Should not be. This is a chart present in front of you for the last few years. As I said, time and time again, as we will walk next, this is where market will be next. I don't know if market will be at this level in the next few days, in the next few hours. I said that to you for years. Remember this chart, 2014 reversal zone? Remember this chart, 2015 reversal zone? Remember this chart, 2016 reversal zone, when rally took off with vengeance. What you trade is your choice. Remember Euro? Remember my chart in 2013, 2014? Remember I gave it to you as a crucial Fibonacci support? Euro broke through the support on weekly. This is what we've been dealing with. 2015 I said to you, this is crucial Fibonacci support on Euro. Did any of us expected Euro to respect this support for 2 years? No. This is crucial Fibonacci support. What a shocker. We did not have Euro exit. However, what did we have? We had Brexit. Pound broke through this support. Pound already broke through these 2 targets. Pound already reached 119. Pound is heading further down to 11. Have you been shorting pound from 2100? I did not know that Euro will respect this support this long. I absolutely expect Euro to break this support. I absolutely expect Euro at 80, as I said in 2015, as I continue telling you. I absolutely expect Euro in free fall to 50 cents. But it's exact same support as you witnessed on Apple, where Apple rallied despite horrific earnings. And that's what you learn in the course. And that's what you learn in a boot camp. Day trading not your cup of tea. Invest long term. That pure and that simple. And I highly encourage you, listen to the students who will be sharing in the boot camp what they trade and how, anything and everything that has price. From S&P to ETFs to stocks to options, students who've been trying for years until they came to the course. And that's the reason I live and breathe what I do, as students become my dearest friends for life. That's all that matters. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle, and that's what you learn in the course. Using anything else is simply afterthought, is simply delayed. You want to trade options? You want to trade Forex? Choice is yours. Price is the same everywhere, as this is a trade that continue rallying with vengeance that students are in. Less trades, more money. That's all you have to remember and respect.